Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friend, today I will talk about Agen by AOC's Gaming 27G15. So friend, Agen by AOC proudly unveiled the debut of AOC Gaming 27G15, the latest addition to the AOC series at Amazon handpicked model for best entry gaming monitor and friend with a stunning 27-inch display, a blazing fast 180Hz refresh rate, ergonomic design that caters to the needs of gamers. The 27G15 is set to redefine what players can accept from a gaming monitor at this low price point. And friend, the centerpiece of the 27G15 is its impressive 27-inch display, providing a generous canvas for gaming enthusiasts to immerse themselves in their favorite titles. And friend, this expensive screen size enhances visibility and ensure every detail of the game world is crystal clear, from the tiniest texture to most distinct portions. And friend, the 27G15's ergonomic design is testament to AOC's commitment to player comfort and its height adjustability tilde as final function. This monitor offers full customization to ensure you find the perfect viewing angle for their unique setup. And friend, it is available now on Amazon for $149.99 dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.